What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Side Hustle Gigs channel. And on this video, we're going to talk about how to cancel DoorDash orders. If you're a DoorDash driver and you need to know how to cancel orders when you get to the restaurant, if something happens, I'm going to explain how to cancel an order and still possibly get paid for the order that you didn't pick up. Okay, possibly get paid money for order that you canceled. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So why are you going to cancel orders? Okay, so sometimes the orders may be too small. Maybe they're not, they're not worth the pay, and you don't feel like waiting for the order. So you're like, okay, I'm going to let somebody else come pick this up, or, I'm not going to waste my time. Okay, so you want to know how you can, cancel that. But there's other instances where you'll go to a restaurant, you're looking for an order, and this is for my DoorDash drivers, okay? It's for my DoorDash drivers. And if you're looking to be a DoorDash driver, I'm just putting things out there that you're going to run into. You go to a restaurant, okay, and you're looking to pick up an order, and they tell you that somebody has already picked that order up, okay? So that either means somebody stole the order, or another driver may have picked it up and, didn't confirm the order and took it for themselves. Either way, the order, you're getting there and they're telling you that the order can't be picked up because somebody else got it. Okay, so you're like, okay, I'm going to cancel this order then. Or I'm going to, but if you just cancel the order without, reaching out to DoorDash support, you will not get paid. So I'm going to show you what you'll need to do to, make sure you actually make some money for wasting your time going to a restaurant that you thought the food was going to be there, and it's not, because either somebody stole it or, DoorDash systems are messing up or whatever. You never know. All right. So right now I'm on the DoorDash app and I'm actually dashing right now. Okay. I'm dashing right now, and I'm not going to cancel this order because this is a good order right here. But if I wanted to cancel this order, or let's say let's just go with that first. If I want to cancel this order, there is a question mark at the top right, as you can see. Top right, I'm going to click there, and I actually have two orders here, so I'm going to click on this one here. So if I had an issue, if I wanted to, cancel this order, I'll say I have an issue, and I'll say, so they'll say select the issue. Order has a long wait time, or red card issues, or something else. I'll say something else, and it'll say unassigned with no pay, okay? And your completion rate could be affected. All right. But if you just wanted to cancel because it's a long wait time or something like that, then this is the way you do it. You click on that. I'll go back again. You'll click on the top of, there's a top right, there's a question mark. Okay. If you have an issue, you click on I have an issue. Okay. But if the store has an issue, then you click on the store has an issue. And you'll also see down here, it says order is not here. Order has long wait time, item unavailable, okay? And if the order isn't there, you want to contact support, okay? You want to contact support. So I'll go back again, or I'll click store has issue. And for example, I'll say order is not here, and it'll say contact support. So I'll click contact support, and then I'll click continue. And once you contact support, let them know, hey, look, this order isn't here. I went in and they told me that somebody else picked up the order, right? And they're going to ask you to go back in the store and ask the store to remake the order. But the store cannot remake an order unless DoorDash sends them the order again. DoorDash has to send them that order. So just to eliminate that, let them know the store is not going to remake the order. Tell support that they need they need support to send the order over again so they can remake it, so they can get paid for it. Okay. Now, like I'm gonna say that again. I don't want you guys to get confused about that. Okay. If you're going to a restaurant to pick up an order and it's not there, if the restaurant tells you that somebody else picked up the order, what you want to do is you want to contact support. You want to let support know, hey, the restaurant told me that somebody else picked this order up. Okay. What DoorDash support is going to try to do is they're going to try to tell you to go back in the store and tell the store to remake the order. The store is going to tell you they can't do that. They need to get the order resent to them again so they can get credit for that order. Okay. So go ahead and tell DoorDash support the store is not going to remake the order unless you guys resend the order yourselves. They'll remake the order and resend it. DoorDash support will go and say, okay, we're going to call the store. Okay. That's going to take maybe like 5 minutes. 5 minutes will go by. They're going to cancel the order for you. Okay. And then they're going to give you half of the pay that you would have gotten if you would have delivered the order. Okay. So if they can't contact the store, they're going to call the store. If they can't get in, usually, 99% of the time that I've gone through this process, they've told me that they're going to call the store, and usually the store, I guess, doesn't pick up, or, they can't get in contact with them. So they end up paying me half of what I would have gotten paid. Okay. So that's how you can get paid if, you go to a store and you're trying to pick up an order and it's not there because somebody else picked it up. All right. Or something else is going on. You never know. You know what I mean? But and there's also this is also the way that you can kind of cancel an order if you don't feel like waiting for too long. If you've been there for 10, 20 minutes and they're still saying it's not ready yet, it's not ready yet. Remember, time is money. So you don't have to, wait for that 30 minutes to, for an order to show up. You never know when it might show up. So, you don't want to be missing out on orders. So this is how you can cancel orders. Okay. Once again, I'm going to go back. All right. Top right, question mark. You choose the name of the person that you want, and you're going to say, I have an issue. Okay. And say it's something else. Or you want to say order has long wait time. You don't want to wait. Okay. Or the store has an issue. Order is not here. Order has long wait time. You can choose any one. But remember, if you go to the store and you're trying to pick up an order and they tell you somebody else has picked it up already, talk to support. Contact support. Let them know the situation, and they will pay you based on they will pay you half of what you would have gotten paid. Like, let's say if it was a $10 ride, if it was a $10 delivery and somebody else picked it up, if you contact support, they will pay you $5 for, the whole hassle. And, you being, for the time that you've, going to the store, trying to get the order, they couldn't get the order right. So they're paying you for that. Okay. I'm just showing you, you got to contact support though. You have to contact support. So, okay. All right. So this is for my DoorDash drivers, people that's looking to be DoorDash drivers, or if you're, already, if you're learning how to be DoorDash driver, then that's for you. That's something that you can kind of like, you can still make money even when canceling trips. All right. Depending on if the order is there, or sometimes if you're waiting too long, you could say the same thing. Hey, look, I've been waiting too long and, the order still isn't ready yet. They told me it was going to be like an hour, 30 minutes, this, that, the third. Contact support. They will work with you. They will actually pay you, money for, different reasons. If it's legitimate, of course, if it's legitimate, they will help you with still making money if, you've wasted your time going to a restaurant and the order's not there, or, something out the ordinary. You never know. So this is just a quick video. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that. I'm about to get back to DoorDashing right now. Hopefully this helped out. Please like and subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos for other side hustle gigs that can help you bring in extra money in your spare time, or if you want to turn it into a full-time income, you can do that as well. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribe to the Side Hustle Gigs channel and like this video if this helped out. And I'll see you guys